To ensure stability and possibly overclocking, I replaced them with a fully supported G.Skill RipJaws. No RGB lighting, but exactly same timing. I decided to go with a Corsair 850 watt power supply, similar to the one I had used in a previous build. Originally, I was hoping to get it in white, but since it was out of stock, I went black, which still looked cool for the build. As expected, it came with all the necessary cables to power the system. However, as you'll see later in the video, some of those cables turned out to be faulty, which caused unexpected issues.